Hello everyone. So yesterday I tweeted this and gave you this short trade, and in today's lecture we will discuss how I took this trade and why I shorted specifically at this point. Why didn't I wait for any break of structure and short it here? Is it just a coincidence or there are some technical reasons? So we will discuss it on ICT trading strategy. I used a strategy called order block trading strategy. I have already made a video about order block. I will share the link in the description. And in this video, we will discuss how I executed this trade on order block strategy. So in this strategy, what we do is we draw a vertical line at 9:30 New York. Okay, so this is your 9:30 New York. Yesterday this was the 9:30 New York. Let me draw it. Okay, so then when we draw it, we wait for any sweep of the liquidity. So the liquidity levels are your recent swing highs, like these are your recent swing highs. Okay, so we wait for any order block structure after the sweep of these swing highs. Okay, these are the structures. Also this is the swing high. Okay, and you can see this is also a swing high. Let me remove it. This is another swing high. So you can see on 15-minute there is no order block. Still there is no order block here, no order block here, but when we sweep this high we get an order block on 15-minute, but it has come down and I took my short here. So if you shift to 3 minutes time frame, you can see we got an order block on 3 minutes. This candle, this green candle, closed above this resistance, and then we got a candle which closed below this candle. So this is the order block structure. You can watch it in the other video, but this is what we need. So once this candle closed below it and it pumped up, I entered into my shorts. I put my stop loss above here. Okay, and I waited for this area for the swing low before 9:30. Okay, this was the swing low before 9:30. So I closed 70% of my trade here. Why I closed 70%? Because my bias is towards the downside and I knew it's gonna go down. So you can see it's still going down. And let me show you on higher time frame why my bias is towards the downside. You can see we swept these highs. Okay, the liquidity was taken. Okay, so the liquidity was taken. Now we got the break of structure to the downside as it closed below these swing lows. So once it goes above the 0.5 fib level, there is your 0.5 fib level. Let me draw it. This is your 0.5 fib level. So once it goes above there, you can enter your shorts, and your next level is these swing lows or these swing lows. So right now I'm into my shorts. And one other reason my bias is towards the downside is you can see this bearish order block on weekly chart. We got a close above the resistance, and then the next candle closed below it. It went up, and now it's gonna go down towards this area. Okay, 25.2k or maybe a bit down. So that's why my bias is towards the downside. And that's how I took this yesterday's trade. I hope it's clear. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you.